Welcome back to YouTube. I have Ahmed again from In-Depth Tech Reviews, and today Google released Android 12 Beta 4.1. It's a small update with minor tweaks and bug fixes, but I will take the opportunity to share with you even more changes that I spotted in Beta 4, but I didn't talk about in my previous videos. Before starting, let me remind you that my Amazon affiliate and wallpaper links are in the description below, and now let's talk about Beta 4.1. Let's start with the build number really quick. It's SPB4.210.715.014. And the update size is between 6 to 7 megabytes. The only visual change I spotted after installing Beta 4.1 is in the nearby share settings page. Now it matches Android 12 design language, and you should see now on the screen how it used to be in Beta 4, so now it looks much better. Other than this, it's exactly the same. The second change is in the fingerprint unlocking animation. With Beta 4, the animation was very laggy on my Pixel 5, but it seems like this issue has been fixed with Beta 4.1. The last thing to expect with this build is some bug fixes, and the most important one is the VPN issue we used to have in Beta 4. After installing this build, your VPN should be working just fine, but if it didn't, please let me know in the comments below. The second fix is related to the phone app. Some users are experiencing a crash loop with the phone app when trying to make a call over Bluetooth. If you are experiencing this issue, all you need to do is to install Beta 4.1 and then tap and hold on the phone app, then tap on the information icon, then go to permissions, and then tap on nearby devices and allow the permission from here. Once done, the issue should be resolved. Next, there is a fix for an issue where Face Unlock didn't work on some devices, another fix for volume controls as sometimes they don't work while casting, a fix for the heads-up notifications as sometimes they don't appear and you have to pull down the notification shade to check them, and finally a fix that caused some devices to get stuck in boot loop after restarting the device. And now it's time for today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by cdkeyoffers.com. It's an online digital store that sells original Windows 10 and the Office keys in a very discounted price. Not only this, but you can use my special promo code ID20 to get extra 20% discount. As you see, you can get yourself a Windows 10 OEM key for $15.55, which is insanely cheap. Please check the links in the description below, and now let's get back to the review. Now let me talk about some of the features that I didn't mention before, and the first one is related to the lock screen. Here I have my Pixel 5 screen timeout set to 10 minutes, screen attention is turned off, and also the flip to shush feature is turned off under system, then gestures, and as you see here, flip to shush is turned off. But for some reason, when I put my phone upside down like this for 10 seconds and then grab it again, you will see the phone is fully locked, even with my screen timeout set to 10 minutes. So I'm not sure if this feature is part of Android 12 or this is how it works with Android 11 as well, so please give it a try and let me know in the comments. In Beta 4, I also found this new animation when you add a new fingerprint. So here I have my 4A running Beta 3, and as you see, both looks different. Another change I wanted to show you is related to the adaptive charging feature. Previously, it used to only work when you plug your phone at night at a certain time, but with Beta 4, it seems like this time restriction no longer exists. So for example, the time now is 10:01 a.m. and I have the alarm set to 2:30 p.m. And when I plug my fast charger and then go to the lock screen, you will see here it says charging slowly, even though I'm connecting a fast charger. And that will make the feature much more flexible compared to the previous behavior. Now let's talk about the performance. Since Beta 4, I'm consistently exceeding the 1500 mark for the multi-core score in Geekbench 5, and it's never been the case in Android 11 up until Android 12 Beta 3. And as you see here, since the 13th of August, up until today after installing 4.1, I'm still getting the same performance, so it seems like this is not something temp, and the performance of Android 12 is definitely better than Android 11. Now let me show you some of the bugs that I still have even after installing Beta 4.1. Starting with the home screen, you will see the drop targets at the top are using the same colors of my wallpaper, and that makes it very hard to see. And when you go to the app drawer, you will see the search bar at the top still looks weird. When you go to the home screen settings and tap on live space, you still get the at a glance page, which is not yet updated. The game mode still doesn't start automatically, and for me to get it, I have to quickly switch between apps. And once I do this, the floating button will appear. These are all the bugs I wanted to share with you in this video, and if I missed anything, please let me know in the comments. So that's pretty much it for today. Those are all the new changes I wanted to share with you about Android 12 Beta 4.1 and Beta 4. So I hope you like my video, and if you do, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.